So lower course ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Deposition is the major activity. Understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So whenever there is deposition, see this is the river ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Whenever there is deposition, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಷನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ this kind of channel where the river is changing, becoming multiple streams and flowing in the bigger channel. Because of the deposition you will find small islands. Okay, these are called river islands. You know, these are river islands. One such island is a district place in India, that is Majuli. Majuli is a river island of Brahmaputra river, which is in Assam. Now it has been recently declared as, in 2019 it was declared as what? District place. Understood? It is in the middle of the Brahmaputra river. Such kind of river island, largest river island, it's Majuli. Majuli anta ಇದೆ, you know, Majuli. Majuli. Understood? So this kind of channel is called braided channel. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹುಡುಗರ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಜಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರ. So it looks like that only. When you see from the top, you feel that river ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. So that time it is called braided channel. Channel itself is braided. Now you see in the lower parts only what happens, river is moving this way, suddenly anything because of deposition it gets into multiple streams and it goes and joins the river. This is called distributary. You know, tributary ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? All the streams coming and joining the river are called tributaries. But here what is happening? Distribution of the same way. One stream is happening. So distributaries. These are called distributaries. So just before, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ocean ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sea ಇದೆ. Before that, a triangle shaped sandy deposition is formed. This is called delta. Okay, the channels, andre channels distribute ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವು distribute ಅಂತಾರೆ. But the entire setup where deposition has happened, the sand is there and it looks like a triangular shape just before the river enters the ocean, that part is called delta. Okay, it is in triangle shape if you see from the top. Here also it is same. Okay, but these are alluvial fans. These are also called alluvial fans only because they are also deposition of alluvial. So if you look from top, they are also look like fans. So alluvial fans, and the entire setup is called delta. Okay, now if the river just before entering into sea, here is the sea, ಅಂದ್ರೆ river ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sea ಇದೆ. Okay, so if it forms a kind of link to the ocean and here also water is stored, this is for what? River is there, river is coming, it is about to meet the ocean, but not entire river is completely going. There is a big water body formed here. Understood? And the ocean water and also the river water are mixing. It's called an estuary. You know, estuary where river meets the sea and the salinity is not so much. It is called brackish water. ಏನಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ brackish water ಅಂತ ಅದು.
Salinity is less than
Yeah, see.
35.
Yes, 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 yes. Right, you are right. Brackish water, estuary. Huh? Yes, obviously, because see, it is having opening to the ocean, and rivers are also coming. Fresh water is there, and also salt water is also entering from the sea. So it is having a brackish water. Chilika Lake is, it's also an estuary. Most of this east flowing, west flowing rivers, Sharavati, Amale, Goadari rivers, Mandovi and all, they form estuaries. Understood? Wherever the river is, fresh water is meeting the sea water, there is a brackish water body created, that is called an estuary. There you will find many unique fishes also, estuary, because they can live in fresh water also, they can live in salt water also. Understood? Many estuaries are home ground for breeding, because while to mate and hatch they come to estuary, and once they hatch, the more numbers of fishes are born, they again go back to the sea. That is why estuary has a lot of ecological significance. Because of industrial revolution, the release of sewage, these estuaries are getting destroyed. It's an environmental concern. Understood? Godaita? This is the end of the river story. Godaita? Full entire river cycle godaito and related features godaita nimge. Understood? Any doubts here? No doubts? It was full, it was full of art class, drawing and
It was interesting, sir.
because see, only when we know, when we see something, we will appreciate it. Otherwise, good and there are mounds like this at the end of the river. Now we know it is called leeway. Otherwise, no, we will not appreciate it. Beach ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. I will also see, tell you many features which are found in the beaches. Okay, then also you will come to know what are the features there. Next time when you go to Goa, you will actually identify some of the features. Otherwise, you will be busy in your own world. Now, after learning, if you go to Goa, you will appreciate many things. So, shall we stop here today? Okay, I have a topic ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ cover ಆಗಿದೆ. Tomorrow what we will do, we will cover wind, then ice, glaciers, as well as waves and currents and chemicals. They are very easy. Ishtu features illa. They are very easy and easily bega move. Again, every time you take any geomorphic agent, it will start with erosion, transportation, deposition. Different features there. Wind also, erosion, transportation, deposition. Understood? Iದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೂರು ಕಡೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. Right?